In this video, we are going to see that if we want to develop an over the time performance bar chart, how we can develop this. In this particular example, you can see that we have a side-by-side comparison of 2024 and 2025, but within that comparison, we have the bars for every single quarter as well for the sales amount. So let's see how we can do this. First of all, let's clear this complete sheet, and we have a new sheet inserted. You can just click on this plus sign and just name this as over the time bar chart. After that, let's put the sales parameter in the rows, and under the columns, we will put date. So first of all, the date will show up as years, but we will put the date again because we want that to be shown in quarters as well. So the next one will be in quarters, but let's say that we put it again, it will automatically make the third comparison in months. So we can do that as well. In 2024, we have quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4. And within each quarter, the months are also shown separately. So if you want any comparison like that, you can do that as well. But by default, it is all set to line charts. Let's switch it up to bar charts. And now we see a comparison like this. If you want to occupy the whole space, let's click on entire view. And after that, you can see this side-by-side comparison of the years over time. So in 2024, all the quarters are shown, and in all the quarters, we can see a month by month performance. So that's very ideal if you want to compare every period, every month, and every year over time side by side. Now what to do if we want to give different color schemes? For that, we will just hold the control key and just move the month and put it in colors, and it will change it into multicolors. But if you, let's say, don't want that many colors, let's click on edit, and you can use any kind of serial colors and something like that. Click on assign palette, click apply, and you have this colors. Otherwise, you can search it and switch it to any colorful comparison like that. And this one looks nice because this is kind of gradient colors. So that's how you can do a bar chart side-by-side comparison over time. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.